In the world of business, time is money and downtime can be costly. So minimizing downtime, first stage training impact productivity. So today we're going to explore how first aid training can significantly impact and minimize downtime in the workplace. So productivity is a key driver of success, and the first aid training can keep your workforce productive even in challenging situations. So let's delve into ways first aid training can make a difference. Faster response to workplace injuries and illnesses, reduction in severity of injuries due to immediate care, boosted employee morale and engagement, and fewer workplace disruptions due to accidents. Minimizing downtime of first aid training is not just about the immediate savings, it's an investment in the long-term productivity of your business. It's about ensuring that your business continues to thrive even when faced with unexpected challenges. Minimizing downtime through first aid training is not just a cost reduction, it's a strategy for success. Because in your workplace, productivity is the heartbeat of your business.